what is going on over there. I have a feeling. I've got this feeling that it's time to do something yet, alright? It must be time for the completely irrelevant or irreverent, I can never remember the difference between those two words, Screamcast. That's right, it's Haley in the house, in his house. Is that how you people say it? I don't know. But first, before we look at weather, we look at earthquakes, because, you know, I like looking at this thing. It sounds very Russian, alright? With the Chiniak Alaska, see, that's a very Russian term. The br question mark as Puerto Rico, and wherever the heck that is. Settlement! Hi, I come from the town of Settlement. Right, well, here is new colors. Hey, look, dark purple. I could, if I click on that, I never can find out what it means. It means something, but we'll never know, will we? La Nina for second winter in a row, whatever that is about. High wind. There we go. Storm warning. That is about as generic as you can get. Okay, let's see. I don't think that's frost advisory. I think that's blue. It's not blue enough. Frost advisory! Alright, I misspoke. I don't know my colours at all. Is that a red flag warning? Right next to green. It's very ugly over there. I don't know what these colours are. That is probably severe thunderstorm warning. Right, and look, there's a radar. Wildfire prevention tips. I can't, speak. Yeah, right, see, so severe weather statement. Severe weather warning, red flag warning. Right, and I don't know what the shade of green is. It's short-term forecast, which could mean anything really. So, red flag warning, red flag warning, red flag warning, red flag warning. Did I mention that's a fire thing? That means that everybody's gonna go up in flames today, I'm pretty sure. Or not. Right, so we move on, because that's all it could do, where we look at occluded front. That's what the purple is, warm front. Oh, see, you see that? Did you see the Wikipedia thing that I showed yesterday? That is where a cold front, the occluded front, which you can't see, right there, that tiny smidge of purple, is where a cold front overtakes a warm front. And you see how the warm front is out there? That, I believe, right there, would be called the triple point. I'm trying to bone up on my weather verbiage so I can say stuff like, oh, the CAPE values are very, very high. I'm not sure if a CAPE value is good if it's higher or not, but, you know, they're very high there. That might be the triple point. And if it's not, then obviously I don't know what I'm talking about. But, right, the drought map, it's got a whole bunch of S's now. It's short term, less than 6 months. That is new. The SL, all of the letters, I think, are new. I don't think I have seen the letters, but I have seen these colours. They're very familiar at this point. See, the people who are in need of the water and not going to be getting it in the next 5 days, look at all the white. And then, oh my god, man, that might be a flood in Colorado with that 0.8 inches in 5 days. Right. And here are people who could use less water, you know, 26 gauges, lots of stuff over there on the East Coast. And here's today's slight weather risk thing, majig, severe weather outlook map. Slightly risk in that bowl right there, slight risk over in that area. 15, oh, right, this is the wind map, as you can see if you can read that it says wind.gif or GIF. I'm not sure if it's like the peanut butter or not. And here is the hail map, where over there, large chance of hail, I do not know. 5% chance of a tornado up in whatever those states are. I don't know, is Colorado up there? Is that a bad joke? I know that Colorado's not there. I already said Colorado, obviously. That is the only state out of the 50 that I know. And here's tomorrow's really confusing map, where, who knows? You know, stuff could happen. It's green, so nothing's going to happen. Less than 5% chance, all areas. But that's as of today, you know, stuff could change. Tomorrow, we might be looking at a high risk. You know, but hell would have to freeze over for there to be a high risk in September, I'm pretty sure. I'm going to have to check my statistics on that. There have been high risks in, like, November and October, I think. Down there, all in the southern states. I don't know, I'll look it up one of these days. So here is Tropical Storm Hillary, who is apparently in the death throes, tropical depression, not. That is a very, it looks like a ghost. Some screwed up ghost, I don't know. And moving on to the Atlantic, we have Hurricane Ophelia. He is apparently going to be a hurricane for a while. Get lost in the Bermuda Triangle maybe, but not hit the United States. And Philippe, we never know about Philippe. He's going that way, then the next day he's going that way. So right now he's, you know, will he hit the United States? I don't know, I haven't paid attention. Hurricane Hillary might end up in Utah. Sorry, Tropical Storm Hillary might end up in Utah, but probably not. But it's always fun to look at, like, how almost all the models are saying that. And then there's, like, always... Not always. That's not true. I lied. Sometimes there are these models, forecast models, that are obviously smoking something good. And they're saying, no! Everybody else say that. We're going to say Tropical Storm Hillary is going way up off there. There is Ophelia, isn't it? I've already forgotten. And Philippe. So who knows where Philippe is going, because the models are not in general agreement on that one, are they? Yeah, but you know what's in agreement? No, I don't know how to finish that. You know, Wicked Wicks. We're all in agreement that it is the site that I pimp at the end of all of these screencasts. There you go. Now I've finished the thought. That's right. Wicked Wicks is W-I-C-K-E-D-W-X. That's fun to say in a Scottish accent, isn't it?